Here are the ingredients you need to make sweet sour spare ribs. All-purpose flour, brown sugar, pineapple chunks, apple cider vinegar, soy sauce, oil, cornstarch, garlic, ginger, and some riblets or spare ribs. I'm going to unwrap the riblet. I got these riblets because I ordered a whole pig. Due to the cost of meat, I ordered a pig and sent it to the butcher. And riblets is one of the items I ordered. So I cut this into about 2-inch pieces. Here I have 8 cloves of garlic, and then we're going to chop it up and mince it up. And now the garlic's minced. Now I need a 2-inch piece of ginger. I'm pouring the flour in the pot. Now dropping the riblets in so I can cover it up with flour. I've coated all the riblets with flour, and now it's ready to be fried. You'll fry it until it's brown, then you'll take it out. I'm turning it around since it's brown on the one side. When it's brown, I'm picking it up. This is the last batch. Now I'm placing back all the brown riblets in the pot. I'm putting 1.5 cups of water. Next up, it has been boiling for 1.5 hours, and the ribs are tender. Actually, the bones are falling off the meat, which is good. So now I'm gonna pour in the pineapple chunks with the juice. Mix it a little. And now I'm gonna add the cornstarch. I added cornstarch with the water. Then I'm gonna bring it back to a full boil until it thickens. The sauce has thickened up. And it came to a full boil. Now I'm turning off the stove to let it cool off for a little. Alright, the sweet sour spare ribs is complete. I put some on the plate. as you can see, I got 2 scoops of rice with the sweet sour spare ribs. Now I'm going to do a taste test on it. It's delicious and really easy to make. So if you decide to try and make this sweet sour spare ribs, leave a comment and let me know how they turned out. And I appreciate you all watching this video. For all my subscribers and everyone who are new, welcome to this channel. And I encourage you to try this, something new for you and the family to make. And I want to say thank you, and when possible, try new recipes. Thank you again, and I'll see you on the next video.